Christmas time has arrived on the island of Sodor, and the engines were busy, ready for the Christmas holidays. The factory controllers at the sheds. Here a special announcement.
This year, we have the honor of hosting a special event.
The engines were excited.
We have had the honor of pulling the guests on a special express from Sodor to London called the Polar Express. And one lucky engine will have the privilege of pulling the express. Well, of course, I should pull the Polar Express. I am the express engine after all.
Rubbish! Someone else should pull it. That someone being me. I am the nice red engine after all. Red represents Santa. Everyone knows that.
I have never heard such nonsense. Why would the Fat Controller choose a mixed traffic engine to pull an important train?
Maybe because I won't crash into the station.
Now, you two. I won't be choosing anyone until later on today. Once I get the paperwork sorted. I'll see you later.
I would love to pull the Special Express.
Gordon and James both laughed at Henry.
You? Pulling the Polar Express? Don't be so silly, Henry.
You can't even pull any goods without leaking or breaking anything.
Don't listen to them, Henry. You're as good as they are.
Henry just stayed quiet. Henry was puffing on Sodor, sat with his trucks. He was thinking about what Gordon and James had said.
Maybe James and Gordon are right. Maybe I'm not strong enough to pull the express that far out.
Henry put into the station, where he sees Thomas.
Hello, Henry. What's the matter?
Gordon and James teased me about not being able to pull the Polar Express.
Don't listen to them. If you're able to pull the Flying Kipper, then what's stopping you from pulling the Polar Express?
All the accidents I've had with the Flying Kipper, as well as the breakdowns.
Don't let them worry you. Accidents happen as do breakdowns. It can't be helped. Just keep smiling, Henry.
I'll try.
Henry drops his trucks at random docks.
Ahoy, matey. Ahar.
Oh, hi, Salty.
What's with the old glum face, me hearty?
Apparently I'm not good enough to pull the Polar Express.
We are worthy enough to do the jobs, matey. Don't let anyone state otherwise. That reminds me of a story.
Maybe another time, Salty.
Take care, me hearty.
Henry was puffing back through Sodor. He was still sad.
Maybe I'll go to the forest for a while before I carry on today. That should cheer me up.
Henry was so excited to go to the forest that he wasn't concentrating. Then there was trouble. Percy was out of signal with the mail. Henry went to break, but it was too late. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Henry had derailed.
How will Santa get the letters?
James was there with a breakdown crate.
Well, looks like you won't be pulling the Polar Express after all, Henry. Call yourself useful, more like clumsy.
Henry just sadly stayed quiet as he gets sent away to be mended. Night had fallen and Henry was still being repaired.
Poor Henry. I wish there's something I can do to help.
The next morning, the engines were at the station with the Polar Express. The factory controller had chosen Gordon to pull the Polar Express.
Show off.
Of course. The Fat Controller was going to choose me. I am the fastest express engine on Sodor after all.
but still not the fastest engine in the world, unlike your brother.
Come on, Gordon. We have to get to London.
The factory controller boarded the Polar Express, ready to leave Sodor. The driver blows his whistle, and Gordon's ready to go. Then there was trouble. As Gordon was about to depart,
Well, that didn't work out for you, did it, Gordon?
What's the hold-up? My safety valve has burst, sir. I can't move. Oh, no. This is a disaster.
Why don't I pull the express, sir?
And who's going to do your work?
I don't know, but a red engine should have the privilege to pull the express. Santa is red, as am I.
Don't be so silly.
all the engines were arguing until Emily whistled.
Excuse me, sir, but why don't Henry pull the express? He was most upset when he crashed into the mail train. He thinks he's ruined Christmas.
The fat controller has a think.
Take me to Henry at once, Emily.
The fat controller boards Emily, and she puffs to Henry. Henry was all mended and having a quick check over when he hears Emily's whistle.
Gordon has broken down, and we need you to pull the Polar Express at once, Henry.
I can't pull the express, sir. I don't want to ruin anything like James said.
Believe in yourself, Henry. Don't forget, you are considered the strongest engine on Sodor. This is your chance to shine. Prove everyone wrong.
Please, Henry. For the kids.
Henry has a think.
Very well, sir.
The fat controller boards Henry as Henry pulls to the station.
You can do it, Henry.
You can do it, Henry.
The guard blows his whistle as Henry slowly departs the station.
I can do it. I can do it.
Henry arrives in London. Everyone cheered. The passengers leave the express as fat controller leaves Henry.
That was hard work.
You should definitely be proud of yourself. Christmas is saved after all. Now, you have a nice rest before we head back to Sodor, and make sure you're filled with plenty of water.
Yes, sir.
So Henry watched as the kids were enjoying themselves.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a
They even had a chance to meet Santa himself as he was giving out presents. It was time to go. Henry returned to his coaches.
Just a moment, Henry. Before we go, there's someone who wants to speak to you.
Henry was confused. until his eyes lit up with amazement. It was Santa.
You must be the engine that saved the day. Yes, Santa. I mean, sir. I mean, Santa, sir. Ho, 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 ho. Santa is just fine, thank you. You are a really useful engine, Henry. You made the children happy, and I'm sure you made everyone proud. I want you to have this.
Santa hands Fat Controller a gift for Henry.
Oh, thank you, Santa. Have a safe trip home, and have a Merry Christmas.
The guard blows his whistle, and Henry departs London to head back to Sodor.
Trains move quickly to the journey's end. Destinations are where we begin again. Ships go sailing far across the sea, trusting starlight to get where they need to be. When it seems that we have lost our way, we find ourselves again on Christmas Day. Believe in what your heart is saying. Hear the melody that's playing. There's no time to waste. There's so much to celebrate. Believe in what you feel inside and give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need.
Henry arrives back on Sodor with the Polar Express.
Well done, Henry.
Thank you, sir.
What's the matter, Henry? Christmas is supposed to be the happiest time of the year, and you have a frown on your face?
Well, you see, sir, Gordon and James have been teasing me about the Polar Express, saying I'm not good enough.
Is that so? Well, we'll see about that. I'll see you in the morning, Henry. I have an idea.
So the Fat Controller tells Henry his plan. The next morning, the Fat Controller was holding a meeting.
Thank you all for coming at short notice. I just wanted to say how proud I am of Henry for pulling the Polar Express yesterday.
The engines whistled with agreement, except for James and Gordon.
Because of Henry's hard work, I've decided that for the foreseeable future, Henry will be pulling the Express. What? But sir, you can't just do that! Oh, don't worry, Gordon. I've decided that you will be shunting trucks.
Don't worry, Gordon. I'll make sure Henry looks after the Express.
Oh, and James? You'll be working with Salty at the docks.
What?
I'm sorry, but Salty needs help at the docks, and Edward needs help shunting.
But sir, you can't do that. Everyone loves to see my red coat.
And everyone loves to see the fastest engine on Sodor pulling the Express. Oh, really? Well, maybe you should have thought of that before teasing Henry about the Polar Express.
Gordon and James soon stay quiet.
Not nice being teased, isn't it? No, sir.
Sorry, sir.
It's not me you should be saying sorry to, is it?
We're sorry we teased you, Henry.
Without you pulling the Express, Christmas would have been ruined.
You really are a useful engine.
Henry smiled happily.
How was the experience?
Oh, it was magical. An absolute treat.
We are proud of you, Henry. All of us are.
Did you see Santa?
I did. He even gave me a present.
Well, I know what I'll be getting for Christmas this year.
The engine looks at Gordon confused.
Coal.
The engines just laugh. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.